extensor, carpi ulnaris is a tendon on the ulnar side of the wrist, which is under the pinky. Very common with a lot of people who weightlift or stabilize the wrist. It extends the wrist, that's why it's called extensor, and it also adducts the wrist or ulnar deviates the wrist like that. So what we're going to do with the tape is we're going to stabilize it, making sure the tape kind of stays on. So on the ulnar side, wrapping on a little bit without tension. Applying a bit of tension through there, and then making sure it follows onto kind of like the midline almost. So this is almost like a tennis elbow. I could go a bit more medial, but I didn't want to bend the tape too much. And then just to give a little bit of support, we'd give a bit of compression. So lifting up again. So underneath here, applying a bit of pressure over where they're getting pain, and then compressing it down. I try not to close the loop because then people can start getting like compressive issues. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Comfortable?
Perfect. Yeah.